How to change app language on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you mistakenly selected or changed to a different language on TikTok and want to revert it back to your primary language? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the profile tab available at the bottom. Then, tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit. Under Content and Display section, you will find the option for language. Tap on it. Now tap on App Language. A list of all the available languages on TikTok will appear. From this list, find the language that you want to change to. Once you have found the desired language, simply tap on it to select. Finally, tap the Done option available at the top. Then, TikTok will download that language and automatically restart to apply the changes. And boom! You have successfully changed your app language on TikTok. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.